There's no need to leave Animoto to share your latest video, since our marketing videos and slideshow videos offer the same sharing options. Here's how you can share your video on social media, via email, and more. The first place you can go to share your video is on the video play page. That's the page you see after you produce your video. Use the share options that are located below your video preview in the Share tab. The second place you can find your share features is on the My Videos page. Just hover over the video you want and click on the share icon. Here are a few ways you can share your video. You can email via direct link. Facebook, you can post directly to your personal feed, your business page, or one of your groups. Twitter will export natively if it's under 140 seconds. There's HubSpot, YouTube, you can embed the video, download it, and there's many more options. If you're looking to export to Instagram, unfortunately you can't do that from your desktop, but you can from your phone. Simply download our app and you can share from there. Our export tools make it easy to get your videos to where you want to share them. Give it a try next time you've got a video that you love and can't wait to share. Happy video making.